Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna show you guys how to remove a disc brake from my electric scooter. The first thing that I did was flipping the scooter upside down so it's easier to work on. Let's start by removing these plastic covers for the bolts on both sides. These plastics are just held on by like some glue. Mine are kind of in a bad shape, so like I don't really mind breaking them, but you should be careful when you remove them. For this specific model you will need an Allen key. Let's start removing them. This is also the cover as well. Here is the main bolt. Let's do the same thing on the other side. And now we have two bolts on each side that we're gonna remove.
First bolt. Second bolt.
I'm gonna remove the caliper after to adjust it, but right now I'm just gonna pull out the wheel. Just like that. And here we have the disc, caliper as well. I'm gonna start by cleaning off the bolts. And as you see, these markings on the disc are important. 110 is the size, and then you see the arrows. You want to put the new one in the same way, and you want to make sure that it fits. Allen keys once more. Let's compare it to the new disc. The new disc looks identical. Let's install this with this side, the marking. I'm gonna put new bolts that came with the package. These new bolts already came with Loctite, but like if yours doesn't, you can put it if you want. And when you put the wheel back, as you see here on this specific model, you have to pull it like this, in here, and in here as well. So like you pull it out like this, and you put it in like this. Don't forget to put these bags back as well, like dimensions. I don't know what they're called, but yeah. We will have to loosen the bolts for the caliper so like we can move it a bit freely, because the new disc is completely straight, so the old was a bit warped, so we will just like move this a bit so we can adjust it. Now it's loose, so we can move it and adjust it. Let's put back the bolts. Now we will have to adjust the caliper. So the last step is basically just like adjust the caliper where it's sitting so it doesn't touch the disc, adjust the braking pads, put back the plastic, and you're done. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video will help you. I know it's not the most effective video, but it's just like a quick video, like a small guide. Well, good luck and thanks for watching.